mask. Goggles are a good idea. And you can see I got my GoPro set up right here. And this little piece of string here is a tagline. If that mount fails, the string will keep it. It'll be dangling right here. You want to have a tagline on it, because if it falls off, gets hit by a branch or something, and gets popped off, by the time you realize it's gone, you could be miles away. By the time you get back there, you ain't going to find it. It could be smashed, could be buried, anything could be possible. So anyways, we're going to keep on trucking. We're going for a ride right now. It finally warmed up. When I first left camp, it was very cold riding in the Can-Am Maverick, even though I had a jacket on. I was like, man, I should have took my big jacket.